Those are clouds that I remember as a child. See, those are my kind of clouds. Those are clouds that don't freak me out, because I remember them as a child. Not that that's a good thing or a bad thing, because it just makes me realize that there are children growing up that have lines in the sky, and that's going to be normal for them. See that little guy making a little line? But these are clouds, you know. Well, there's another guy that's up there drawing a line, you know. Kinda just up there, drawing lines. But see, these ones are normal for me anyway. It's my normal. They don't freak me out. But as I said, that there's still lines being drawn up there. Just like there's being lines being drawn down here. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what you're gonna do today. It's 7 o'clock. For some reason, that someday I will believe myself when I say that it's alright I went to Starbucks this morning. Because apparently I'm a gold member soon. Now I'm just a green member or star. Get those green stars, you know, the stars you get in school. I got a gold star, I did good. Well, this poison they're pumping out that I just keep drinking. Oh, look at that guy, he's don't got no... Where's his line behind his vehicle? He must have been out of stuff. Anyway, I get free refills now, so I get more of this stuff from this place for free. So someday they'll tell myself that that's a good thing. Makes me wonder why nobody grows coffee or tobacco. I'm sure they'll tell me that you can't, you shouldn't grow coffee or grow tobacco. I don't know if it's true, but I heard that tobacco seeds are outrageously expensive. I don't don't know. Anyway. I just couldn't help but notice. Oh, look, clouds. Those are clouds. You know where clouds come from, right? Remember? Well, there you go. So, have a good morning. Guten Morgen.